Hello, my name is Joi Gloster. I am 41 years old and I am a patient of Dr. Margni at the Vascular Institute of Michigan. I came to the Vascular Institute of Michigan by way of a referral from my doctor. I have been experiencing knee pain for a majority of my life, and it has really gotten to the point where it had immobilized me to even work. And so my doctor said that maybe you should try going to the Vascular Institute of Michigan and have you heard of this procedure? And I said no. And so he gave me a pamphlet and that's how it started. I had osteoarthritis in both my knees, so I had bone on bone. And so I have tried knee injections to the point where they said this is not going to work for you anymore. I've tried all type of medications, Tylenol, Motrin, physical therapy. I did it all. You know, they said lose weight, but it just was so unbearable to the point where I had to stop working because I couldn't walk. I would walk for a little bit and then I would have to stop. It definitely have sent me into a depression because I have small children that I couldn't get up and play with them. It has definitely been a nightmare for me. And so I just kind of felt like if I didn't get this referral, that my life would just be in shambles. Before having the GAE procedure, my knee pain, both, was, I would say, a 10. When I got up every morning, they were stiff. I experienced a lot of throbbing, aching, soreness. From that, I developed lymphedema, which, you know, the swelling of my legs. So having all of that with the knee pain, I couldn't walk up the stairs, couldn't walk down the stairs. I had a hard time getting in and out of the car. It has definitely been a nightmare before I knew about the GAE procedure. I would say that as soon as I walked into the Vascular Institute of Michigan's office, I instantly felt peace. The atmosphere was very serene. I was greeted with professionalism, friendliness, and they made me feel like everything was going to be okay. From the staff in the front to the receptionist to the nurse, it was A1. And so they really made me feel like I was a part of their family, that everything was going to be okay, because this is like a vulnerable topic. You know, you hear about people experiencing knee pain and they've tried so much and no one has ever had anything for that. They kind of put a Band-Aid on it with medications or with knee injections. So coming here for the first time, you know, I was anxious, you know, but Dr. Margni, Dr. Karen, they really made me feel like everything was going to be okay. After I experienced the GAE, I had the procedure in both knees. 1 week I came to do my left knee. A week later I came to do the right knee. And after experiencing this procedure, I had zero pain. Of course, you're going to have the swelling and the soreness, but as far as the pain itself in the knees, absolutely zero. I can walk now with no pain. I can play with my children. I can go up and down the stairs. I can walk. You know, yesterday I was able to walk to our local Family Dollar and back home with no pain. And so this procedure has tremendously changed my life. You know, I'm a young woman, you know, and so I feel like all you have is your health. You know, I was reminded, a teacher told me, your health is your wealth, don't lose it. And your legs is a part of a mobility. If you can't get around anywhere else, you at least supposed to be able to walk. And so I am so, like, my depression level is low. I'm not depressed anymore. And I would recommend this procedure to anybody who is at their wit's end on pain. And if they're ready to experience life again, joy again. My name is Joi. So you guys has given me joy. You guys have given me my life back. And I'm truly thankful for the opportunity to be able to experience this procedure. I want to say that Dr. Margni has the most excellent bedside manner, his professionalism, the way he explains things. is A1. He's patient, he takes his time, and he's compassionate. You know, a lot of times when you go to the doctor, they rattle off a bunch of stuff and then they leave. No, he took the time to explain what the procedure was, how it was going to affect me. And if I had any questions, he took his time to listen and answer them. And so Dr. Margni is one of the best doctors that I have ever had. And I appreciate him, the staff, and this facility for changing my life and giving me my joy back.